checked our Mac storage and thought, why is system data taking 50, 80, or even 100 gigabytes? If your Mac's slowing down and system data is eating your storage, it's time to fix that. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you what is system data on Mac, why can it be so huge, is it actually safe to delete system data, how to clear system data on the latest macOS versions Tahoe, Sequoia, and Sonoma, and at the end, I'll show you the fastest method to reduce system data on Mac without breaking anything. First, let's see how much system data you have on your Mac. Go to Settings, General, and then Storage. Here, see that dark gray bar labeled System Data? That's what we're looking for. Here's what normal looks like, 12 to 20 gigabytes. That's healthy. Now, what I have, not so much. So what exactly is system data? It's Apple's category for everything that doesn't fit neatly into apps, documents, photos, iOS files, iCloud Drive, etc. It includes application leftovers, Time Machine local snapshots, system logs recording every tiny event, Spotlight and Siri indexing files, browser plugins and extensions, and dozens of other hidden files. And why does system data get so huge? Because macOS stores all sorts of temporary files just in case, especially after updates, photo indexing, and app installations. On Tahoe and Sequoia, the new AI and Spotlight indexing add even more cache data behind the scenes. And the question I get most is it safe to delete system data? And the answer is, yes it is, if you delete the right files, but no if you delete system-critical folders. So let's clean it safely. There are two ways to handle this, the manual method and the easy automatic one. The manual way involves digging through hidden system folders and typing terminal commands. It's time-consuming, risky, and honestly, not so fun. The easy way, on the other hand, is using a dedicated app like CleanMyMac, which I'll show you in detail. But first, let me show you the specific challenges for each macOS version because they are all slightly different. If you're on macOS Tahoe, that's version 26, released in September of 2025, you've got Apple's new liquid glass interface. Your storage settings look different now with that glossy, translucent design, and here's something important for Tahoe users. Tahoe introduced better storage optimization suggestions, but they're still pretty basic. It'll tell you to store files in iCloud or delete old downloads, but it won't touch the real problem, all that cache data buried in system data. Tahoe also creates extra cache for the new Live Activities feature and the redesigned Control Center. More features means more temporary files. If you want to manually clear cache on Tahoe, open Finder, press Command-Shift-G, and type ~library/cache and start deleting folders one by one. But which ones are safe to delete? Which ones will break Safari's saved passwords? Deleting the wrong file can affect your Mac's stability. Now, Sequoia users, version 15 from September of 2024. Your interface is the last one before the liquid glass redesign. Your storage management is similar, but Sequoia has a specific detail. The iPhone mirroring feature introduced in this version creates substantial cache files every time you mirror your phone to your Mac. These cache can reach 10 to 15 gigabytes if you use this feature daily, and they're hidden inside system data where you can't easily see them. Also, in macOS Sequoia, Safari started using a new caching system. If you use Safari a lot, your cache alone can grow to 20 to 30 gigabytes. Yes, you can open this folder in Finder and delete the files manually, but doing that might erase things like your saved form data, reading list, and even tab history, so it's a bit risky. Now, Sonoma users, version 14 from September of 2023, you're dealing with desktop widgets that create their own cache ecosystem. Each widget you add creates cache files. Weather widgets, stocks, calendar, they all accumulate data. Sonoma also has a documented issue where Spotlight indexes can get corrupted. Some users report 40 to 50 gigabytes indexes. To rebuild it, you need to open terminal and type sudo space mdutil space -e space /. But that sudo command gives terminal complete system access. One typo and you can cause real damage. Plus, rebuilding takes hours during which Spotlight doesn't work. But okay, enough scary terminal commands. Here's why I use CleanMyMac and why I'm recommending it to you. I'm going to run this live on my Mac, which is running Tahoe, and watch exactly what happens. I open CleanMyMac, click Cleanup, and hit Scan. It's analyzing my entire system, and then done. A bunch of junk files found, including things like temporary files, translation files in apps, broken preferences files, and system cache files that are no longer needed. Now I can remove them with one click, or I can choose which ones I want to get rid of and remove just those. So if you want everything done automatically and safely, use CleanMyMac. You can try it free for 7 days. The link is in the description, and that's all you need to know about removing system data safely on your Mac. If you found any of this surprising, leave a comment and tell me how much system data your Mac had. Hit like and subscribe, it really supports the channel and helps others find this guide. Thanks for watching, and until next time.